Guys, hello and welcome to another Arduino for me tutorial. Today we'll be doing the servo by using a potentiometer or a variable resistor. It's a knob that can turn. That comes in your Sunfounder kit that you should have bought by now. If you haven't, the link will be in the description or my website. You can just go to projects page and click the kit. There'll be a link there, download the kit, or not download, buy the kit. Alright, so we're just going to see what this one does. We're going to plug it into the power here. Now we're going to take our servo, and I want to show you what happens when I turn this knob here. You can make that move just by turning this knob right here. See, as I turn this. There we go. So that's the basically what the circuit does there. Alright. Now let's just explain why it does this. Alright. So basically, what you want to do is you want to take your servo, and first thing you want to do is you want to plug it in just like this. You want to plug 3 jumpers into the servo end. See, here's your servo, the cord for that, and you want to plug the end of your servo into there. Okay. Now we'll set that aside. We have 3 wires on the servo. We've got yellow or orange, red, and brown or black. Now, with the jumpers, I've tried to stay to the same color, so I've made yellow is orange, but it's basically the same shade. Red is red, and black is brown on the servo. It's brown wire on the servo. Okay, so once you've stuck those in there, you want to take the yellow or orange wire, and you want to stick it into pin 9 on your Arduino board. You want to then take the red, or let's go with the black. You want to take the black, and on your breadboard, you want the black to be, let's see, we've got our black here. Now I've set up the positive rail as a ground, so the positive rail is now a ground rail. So I stuck the black servo, which is the brown servo wire, into the ground, and I also put the 3rd pin on the potentiometer. I put that on the ground row because I've connected it from the ground rail into this row over here, and this row is now ground. So I connected this pin over here into the ground. And then this pin here is connected by this row, this wire, into the 5 volts on the Arduino board. So this goes into the 5 volts. Now this row here, this whole row that these 3 are plugged into, is 5 volts, getting voltage, and that plugs into the red wire on your servo. And also one more thing that's a bit difficult that you guys might find bit difficult. I did it first. This here that goes on pin A0, it's this pin right here, right there. This here, you're gonna take a small jumper, and it goes in this hole. It's a hole right here. There's the 3rd one that's not actually a pin. If you guys can see that right there. Let's see. There. That 3rd one isn't a pin. So what you want to do is I stuck this in here. Actually, hold on. We can bend this. Pretty sure we can bend this pin down. Let me see if I can find some pliers here. And we'll just bend that pin down so that we don't have to stick it in that hole. Okay, there we go. That'll work better, so we don't have a chance of it falling out. So there, I just bent that down. So now we got 3 pins. Okay, we're gonna stick this wire that was connected in that hole. We're just gonna put it in between these other 3 wires, just right in there. All right, just like that. Now we can connect these 3 in there, I think. Come on. There we go. Just like that. So, see if we can get a closer view here. And I'll turn this around so you guys can see. Right here, these are all connected into these. There are 3 pins on the potentiometer, and those are all connected like that. Okay, and that's how that works. Let's plug this in, turn it on, make sure that 3rd pin idea actually works. Yeah, let's see here. I'll get this to stand up. Let's see. Pin 2. Doesn't seem to be working too well. Let me see if I've got these pins lined up here. There we go. I had to get the pins lined up a little better. But once you get those pins lined up, make sure that they're lined up pretty well. This will work for you. There we go. Alright guys, that's the tutorial for now. That's the end there. So if you like that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you want to run this, you're going to have to download the code. So go to my website, go to the projects page, and download the. I'm pretty sure I'll have it saved as Servo _knob. So you can download that, upload it to your board if you're not sure how to do that, or if you're not sure how to do any breadboarding or uploading to your board. I have previous videos on that. So go ahead and check out my videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Alright, see you later.